Let's take a look at the Intersect option under the Extrude feature to see how we can solve a simple modeling problem. So I have an extrude that is created by a spline. On top of this extrude is a sketch circle. I will roll the timeline forward to show you the final result. So essentially, I want to cut out everything that is outside of this circle. But how can we achieve that? Let's roll back the timeline and start the Extrude tool. Traditionally, the Extrude tool would recognize any enclosed contour and cut away material within those contours. In this case, Fusion is anticipating that I want to cut away material within that circle. But that is not what we want. We need to cut away material outside of the circle. We can certainly create an extra sketch outside of the circle. Select the appropriate contour and do the cut that way. But there is no need to do that. Instead, let's go to Operation and select Intersect. Visualize a yellow cylinder as an imaginary extrude. After the operation, what is left is the overlapping or intersecting region between this cylinder and the body created by the spline.